Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, The Symbol of Knowledge. Hello friends, today we are going to learn Bridge course, subject English, class 8th, academic year 2021-22, State Council of Education, Research and Training, Maharashtra, Pune. Hello friends, represented by Mr. Yallappa Mahadev Wagmare, Assistant Teacher, हबप आबा सावंत माध्यमिक विद्यालय तोंडली पिलवली, तालुका चिपळूण, डिस्ट्रिक्ट रत्नागिरी, स्टेट महाराष्ट्र, इंडिया. Hello friends, now see the Bridge course, standard 8th, activity number 1, subject English, learning activity. Look at the pictures and complete the following. Hello friends, I have written answers directly. We should keep quiet in the library. We must wear a mask at railway station and during journey. Please stand in a queue at ticket counter. We must wash our hands with a soap or a hand wash. Please remove your footwear outside the computer lab. Don't move, pigeons will fly away. Don't touch open wire. Next activity, practice. Write formal requests and informal requests with help of chart. See the answers. Formal request: could I go to the park? May I leave early today? Could I take this newspaper? Informal request: can I go to the park? Can I leave early today? Can I borrow some money? Next activity, evaluation. Frame your own instructions in the following situations. People are not wearing mask during journey. Answer: wear a mask. Students are standing in a zigzag way in the school assembly. Answer: stand in a queue. People are not following the traffic signals. Answer: follow the traffic rules. People are wearing footwear in the temples. Answers: please remove your footwear here. Hello friends, next activity number 2, standard 8th, subject English, learning activity. Read the passage and give the answers. Teacher delivers a speech about health and fitness. Tells them to listen to the speech carefully and complete the activities. Good morning children. Today I am going to talk about health and fitness. Every student must try to keep good health. It is not very difficult to do so. The first requirement is early to bed and early to rise. Morning air is very fresh. We should take exercise in this air. Here we can do yogas and pranayams. Food plays very important role in development of health. We must take a balanced diet. We should take a fresh healthy food and avoid junk food because it is unhealthy for our body. Milk and some butter must be a part of our diet. We should take meals at regular times. It is not good to keep on eating something or the other all the time. Then for healthy body, we need a tension-free mind. We can do meditation for peace and tranquility. At last, we can say health is wealth. Now see the questions and answers. Question number 1A. Listen to the speech and complete the activities. What is the first requirement for health? Answer: early to bed and early to rise. Why should we avoid junk foods? Because it is unhealthy for our body. Say whether the following sentences are true or false. Morning air is not good for exercise. False. We can do meditation for peace of mind. True. It is good to keep an eating all the time. False. We must take a balanced diet. True. How do trees help us? Answer: trees help us by providing flowers, fruits, wood, herbs, medicines and oxygen. Trees help filter and retain water in the soil. Trees improve mental health. Trees are a natural playground. Next activity, evaluation. Write down the different ways to be healthy and fit. First of all, see the picture. Wealthy habits: get up early, brushing teeth in morning and night, early go to bed, take bath every day, cutting nails every week, after meal rinse our mouth. Now write down the different ways to be healthy and fit. Exercise daily. Exercise daily for at least an hour. Eat the right foods and portion each meal. Keep track of calories and food intake per day. Be sure to get sleep. Cutting nails every week. Stay motivated. Now next, activity number 3. Standard 8th, subject English. Learning activity. To read the printed program and give the answers. Now see the printed program. Wedding anniversary event. 50th wedding anniversary celebration, day and date: Sunday, July 25th, 2021. Time at 4:30 p.m. Mr. Sunil and Mrs. Sunil Patil are going to celebrate their 50th wedding anniversary. Request the pleasure of your company of this celebration. Venue: Deep Resort near Sai Dham, Main Road, Nagpur. Phone number 9420250878. What is the program? Wedding anniversary. Who are the hosts? Mr. Sachin and Mrs. Sunil Patil. When is the program? On Sunday, 25th July 2021. What is the time of this program? At 4:30 p.m. Where is the program? At Deep Resorts near Sai Dham, Main Road, Nagpur. Evaluation: questions and answers, place, time, host, date, other details, etc. Parallel activity: write your personal answer. If you were in the place of the hare and the tortoise, what will you do? It was in the place of hare. I will not sleep. I will reach at the end of the race line and wait for tortoise. Instructions for students: listen to the provided program attentively. Jot down the main points of the provided program sample. Try to recall all main points to the related programs. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियोस। आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक करके शेयर करना। अगर आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करना। मैंने इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में मेरे चैनल की लिंक दिया है। मेरे चैनल में बहुत सारे प्लेलिस्ट है, आप जो चाहे प्लेलिस्ट चूज़ कर सकते हैं और जो चाहे वो वीडियो देख सकते हैं। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू वेरी मच।